So hello internet and hello world from 90.7 Love Radio. My name is Shai Tisai and I'm live today here at the Shangri-La Hotel, here again to have a very quick interview with a special someone. You heard him on YouTube covering your favorite songs, and 3 albums later, you're singing along with his own hits. Who am I talking about? Well, let's welcome my guest oozing with appeal, Mr. Charlie Puth. Hi there.
Hi. Wow, you even named the before the actual debut album. You named like the albums that the
Yeah, I did my research. I checked Google.
Yeah,
but I heard that you had a couple of albums before the debut album, right?
Those are like independent projects
Okay.
and stuff. Before
Okay.
The actual here's the debut.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure they were just as great as the one you're doing right now.
Oh shucks.
And even before you started, am I right? Was I right? You started on YouTube.
I did, yeah. No, I
Yeah.
started on YouTube, which is why everybody who says that this was an overnight success thing, it's like, oh no,
No.
this is
You
the-
had tons of covers before.
Yeah, no, it's taken a long time.
Yeah. And then you got signed in by Ellen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love Ellen. How's Ellen?
Ellen's-
How's Ellen?
Ellen's good. I didn't talk
Yeah.
to her too long ago, actually, but she's really, really just a sweet lady.
Aww.
And yeah, I got signed to Ellen.
The one thing I wanna dwell on right now, it's a very important topic.
Mm-hmm.
You have such a good voice. No, I
Oh.
mean talking voice right now. because when I hear your songs, it's really high pitch and it's really full voice, and I hear you talking right
Hello.
now. It's like so sexy, so suave, so bedroom voicey.
Oh, thank you. Well, that's the name of my next record. Bedroom voice, low pitch, Charlie morning voice,
And
man.
I'm gonna get a copy of that.
Yes.
Just say this for me. Shai Tisai.
Shai Tisai? What? Oh, Shai.
That's my name.
That's your name. I was like, Shai Tisai. It's a cool, fun name to say, Shai Tisai.
Yeah, we have funny names on radio.
It's something fun to whisper, Shai Tisai.
I like to say this all the time. Okay, so is it your first time in the Philippines?
Yeah, it's my first time in the Philippines, and
So-
it's very humid.
It is, right? Actually, it's very humid today. It's usually very hot on a regular day. Yeah, it's a tropical
Isn't that
country.
isn't that the same thing though?
No,
humid,
humid is
and
this
sticky.
sticky feeling, right?
Yeah.
Usually it's we have a warm temperature here, but right now it's just a lot more humid because we're talking about the weather.
It is very tropical here, though. I like it.
It is. Yes, so where'd you grow up?
New Jersey.
That's a pretty cold state, right?
It can be very horrible and cold, but it can be like this too, like
Okay,
very humid,
warm and humid. All right.
but not in October.
So has anybody taught you any Tagalog words so far?
No.
No. Okay.
Can you?
Would you mind if I teach you? Say
No.
maganda
Maganda.
si Shai Tisai.
Si Shai Tisai.
One more time. Maganda si Shai Tisai.
Maganda, she's nice. She's nice.
Never mind.
No, I
I
want.
tried to let him say that I'm pretty, but it seems to be a fail.
No, I want to.
Maganda
Maganda.
si Shai Tisai.
Si Shai Tisai.
Well, that 4 out of 5 stars. Good
Thank you.
enough.
Thank you.
Good enough.
That's
All
not. That's
right.
not too bad.
So now tell us about your upcoming concert here. You excited?
I'm very excited
Yeah.
to perform in front of a couple thousand people.
Yeah.
It's
Do
gonna
you
be-
have any special guests?
Not with me, no.
Mhm.
I was just gonna. Well, I have my band with me.
Alright.
They're always my special guests.
Aw.
Aw, band. And no, I'm just like beyond excited because it's one thing like performing for everybody on the internet,
Mhm.
and but like meeting them in actual, like seeing that they're actual people is pretty
Mm-hmm.
pretty
Then
fun.
there's gonna be a huge crowd, and they're just gonna scream your name. Yeah, I know the feeling. No. I'm kidding. So,
I believe you.
Will I be there in your concert?
You can be if you like.
Kung kailangan. Okay. So.
What does that mean?
Kung kailangan. It means
Coca-Cola.
if necessary. if I must. Something like that.
Oh, it
So,
sounded
will I
like
be in
it
your concert?
sounded
Well,
like chocolate milk.
if I must.
Coca-Cola.
What does it say? What sounds like?
What's that?
It sounds like.
Oh, it sounds like chocolate milk. Coca-Cola. or some sort of coconut drink.
You know, this is why I enjoy talking to artists who know.
Break me off a piece of that Coca-Cola.
He wrote a song right away. You're that talented.
I did not write that melody.
he thought of a melody. He thought of a song or something right away.
Mm-hmm.
So, "See You Again." "See You Again" is one of the songs that are still constantly requested now on our radio station, on all our 3 radio stations actually.
Oh.
So, Yeah, even all right. So tell us about how you decided to get into that song.
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
That song happened when Fast and Furious came to me and
Okay.
asked me if I'd be willing to try and write something for the end of the movie, because they had to change the end of the movie because Paul passed away, of
Oh, yeah,
course.
that's
So
right.
it's really sad. But I had a friend who passed away, so I knew what it was. I knew what it felt like to lose somebody. So this is a weird sentence. I pretended to be Vin Diesel while I was in the
Okay,
studio,
okay.
and I was like, what would my last words be to Paul? And I thought to myself, me just pretending to be all buff and everything,
Buff and
like Vin.
muscular
I
and
was like,
bald-headed.
Vin would be like, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. So I went to the piano, played the first chord, and then it's been a long day just happened, and it just sorry, and then it's just everything just like fell into place. It happened really quickly, like in 10 minutes. So.
Wow, you finished the song and finished
Yeah.
it in 10 minutes. And
Well, the hook, just the piano and vocal, and then me and my friend Justin produced it out for like a week,
Okay.
and then sent it to Wiz and asked him if he'd want to spit some game over it.
Yeah.
And he did, and he gave us fire, and it was done after that. Well, we took some time to it came about so quickly, and I think they were really totally going to use the song, and so we just spent time perfecting it and making it really good.
Well, it is really good. In fact, it's such a great hit right now. Even now, it's being played on the airwaves. So, good job to you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, if you weren't a superstar right now, because you are a superstar,
No.
what would Charlie Puth be?
Probably in my hotel room, ordering room service, play or watching Friends.
I love Friends, Ross and everybody, Rachel, Ross, everyone. Yeah.
It's the only thing that and now. But you guys don't have Netflix. What's wrong?
We don't have Netflix here.
What?
We have some other thing, but no Netflix.
I went to
yet.
Netflix. I was in my bed last
I'm
night, and I was
sorry
like,
about that.
"That's okay." I was just trying to fit, and I Googled how to, and then the first thing that came up, watch Netflix in the Philippines.
No way.
Yeah, and I was like, okay, so clearly I'm not alone here.
Yeah, a lot of people search for that, I guess. I haven't tried because I know that there isn't really any Netflix here.
I think there's a workaround. I'm gonna try and figure it out.
Tell me about it right after,
What-
okay?
yeah,
Because
okay.
I have no idea how
Okay.
to yet.
Oh, okay.
No, but if you didn't turn out to be singer-songwriter, what would you be right now? What did you want to be when you grew up? When you were growing
Probably.
up?
Well, my dad builds houses
Oh.
and is a builder, and
Yeah.
I've always and he's super successful, and I've always been like, oh wow, I want to. If I didn't do music, I would want to build a house, because building a house is really similar to producing a record. You have to
Yeah.
start out with
little pieces.
you have to start with a basement,
Uh-huh.
and when you build, you have to start with the foundation, and that's the same thing you have to do when producing a record. So the foundation is cement for my dad, but for me, it's.
Well, you're obviously really talented, and good job on being a singer, songwriter, producer.
Thank
You know,
ya.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, so that next question is: are you single? A lot of the Filipino ladies are wondering right now.
Was this coffee?
So you don't want to answer the question? Okay,
No,
so
I am.
next
No, I
Are
am.
you?
Yeah, I am.
And would you date a Filipina?
Yeah, I honestly, I would date anybody who's nice.
Hi,
any
my name
girl.
is Shai.
That was a very formal handshake. Shy, not very shy of you.
There's nothing shy about me, but
Ha!
he's a comedian.
So funny! So funny!
That's your last joke, and you're just gonna be singing, okay?
So funny! Shy, because her name is Shy.
Dad, you're being silly.
Well, damn.
So, alright, thank you so much, Mr. Charlie. If you want to
Thank
invite
you.
your fans over to your concert again.
Fans, hi fans. Can you come to my concert and come say hi to me? Because I'll say hi to you if you say hi to me.
Awesome. When's it gonna be?
What's it? What?
When's it gonna be?
Oh, I thought he was like, what's it going to be?
When's it gonna be?
It's
Sorry.
going to be. I think it's tomorrow, right? It's tomorrow.
You think it's tomorrow? You're not sure. They're just
Well,
probably knocking
I'm
on your door. They're just-
shy.
You're on.
I'm jet lagged, Shy. Don't
Oh,
make
that's
fun of
good. I'm
me.
sorry, Mr. Charlie.
Mr. Charlie. I like Mr. Charlie.
Do you want me to call you Mr. Charlie from now on?
Kind of like it.
Yeah, you do. Mr. Charlie. Seriously though, last question. Can I take you home?
Aw.
I want to keep you.
I'm like a little Furby.
Yes, you are. You're such an adorable little bear.
I'm a bear.
Well, once again, all the way from 90.7 Love Radio, mga kabisyo, this is Senorita Shai Tisai saying goodbye to you and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!
Bye.
Hi, this is Charlie Puth on 90.7 Love Radio. #1, Pamore.